Hey guys, it's Booktastic here, and today, so let's go meet my new siblings. What I got for Christmas for last year. I should do a review of it. Are you ready to do a review? Go! It's Perwinkle, green puppy, and magenta. So I love magenta. So yeah, we're in my mom's bed now, and so yeah, Olivia. So Olivia has to meet her 3 friends I just revealed. Okay. Olivia say yes, you can. Okay. Say hi to your best friend, Perwinkle. Have a still day. You can't talk, so it's just me. So, Olivia, you love green. It's time to use your second friend. You might love it. So, hi, Olivia. What are you doing? Are you ready for me the last one? You have to say, I like your... It has something on her, okay? Don't just... She said okay. So, me magenta. Hi. Oh, I love your sunglasses. Glasses. You got an eye doctor. Thank you, Olivia. You're welcome. So, will you take a nap now? Okay. I know. So, give me a kiss. Bye. Okay. Bye.